In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and navigate to your workspace. This is where your project assets, sheets, and reports are typically organized. So starting in the correct workspace will make the setup process much smoother. If you already know which project or team area the dashboard belongs to, go directly there before creating anything new. That helps keep everything connected and easy to find later. Once you're in the right workspace, click Create. This is the starting point for building a new item inside Smartsheet. From the available options, choose Dashboard or Portal. In many cases, these terms are used interchangeably depending on your Smartsheet setup, but the purpose is the same: creating a visual, shareable page that brings important information together in one place. After the dashboard opens, begin adding widgets. Widgets are the building blocks of the dashboard, and they allow you to display different types of content in a clean visual format. You can add charts to show trends or progress, reports to surface filtered data, metrics to highlight key numbers, images to support branding or visual context, and shortcuts to help viewers quickly open important sheets or resources. As you add each widget, think about what the viewer needs to see first and what information is most useful at a glance. Next, connect each widget to the correct sheet or report. This step is especially important because the dashboard only becomes useful when the information behind it is accurate and relevant. For example, if you're using a chart widget, make sure it's pulling from the right source sheet. If you're adding a report widget, confirm that it displays the specific report you want your audience to review. Taking a moment here to verify each connection can save confusion later and helps ensure the dashboard reflects real, up-to-date information. Once your widgets are connected, arrange the dashboard layout clearly. Try to organize the page so it feels easy to scan. Place the most important information near the top, group similar content together, and avoid cluttering the screen with too many elements in one area. A clear layout makes the dashboard more useful and more professional for anyone viewing it. When everything looks good, save the dashboard and share it. Before sending it out, it's a good idea to do one final review to make sure the layout, links, and data connections all appear as expected. After that, your dashboard is ready to be used as a central visual summary for your team or project.